Hello, my awesome friends from the earth. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share free hosting services that I use for my projects. There are few services that I'm using for my projects. When it comes to free hosting services, as web application developers and developers, we tend to use free hosting services to showcase our projects, sometimes demo our projects to clients, like that. So, cases like that, we can use these free services. But when it comes to production, it is not recommended to use free tiers. They are not guaranteed 100%, but still you can use. It's recommended to go for paid services. All these services have their own paid versions, so you can try out those things for the production stuff. But for the demo stuff and fun projects, it is totally okay to go with these services. So let's start. First one, Netlify, one of the best services I have been using. They have really good UI. It is very easy to identify things, and you can connect your GitHub account and go for CI/CD. And they have analytics service as well. You can get analytics for your web applications, like where the requests are coming from and how many users are getting into touch with your application, like that. But Netlify only can be used for front-end application. You can use it React, Vue, Next, and like that, Next applications, and like that, but only for the front-end applications. So that is about Netlify. Next one is Firebase hosting. As we all know, Firebase is a real-time database. That is how we got to know about them. But later they introduced their hosting service. It is really good and very powerful, and you can use it for anytime. Actually, it's a really good service, and you can deploy your applications through Firebase CLI to Firebase hosting, and it is really good service that you can use if you are working with Firebase backend mainly. That is a really good one to use, totally good. And that's my Firebase description. And next one is Heroku. Heroku, one of the best services I have been using. I have been using it for few years now, actually. And you can host both front-end and back-end applications with Heroku. In the free tier, as I remember, you have around 5 applications to up and running. So also you can connect your GitHub account and go for CI/CD kind of stuff as well. And also you can use Heroku account as Git authenticator, and you can use it for your front-end and back-end both applications, and it support for many services, and it is very scalable as well. And you can try out for the paid versions as well if you are going for production. That is a really good service out there. And next one is GitHub Pages. As you know, GitHub is one of the leading service providers when it comes to tech industry, not only in the version management stuff. So they have GitHub Pages. You can host your applications there, and there's a process of hosting GitHub Pages. You can find it on their documentation, but it's totally okay to use. You can use it as well. And the next one, Wassel. It is from the Next.js team, from the creators of Next.js, and it is really good service, and you can use it for your front-end stuff as well. Again, it is only support for the front-end applications, mainly around 30 plus Jamstack frameworks like Angular, Vue, Next, and like that. And you can use, they have really pretty good documentation. If you can go to wassel.com, they are pretty good, and it is trusted by many companies as well. So this is one of the things you can go for if you are looking for places to host your application, actually. So that is not only that, these are the top 5 of mine, and there are several other services like Surge, Render.com, GitLab Pages, and Stormkit, and Azure, AWS, and Hostman. All these services are also free. You can get up to some level of free services from them. With AWS, we can have 1 year of free account, and like that. So all these services are later mentioned ones, are like that, but my top 5 is Netlify, Firebase, Heroku, and GitHub Pages, and finally Wassel. So you can use those services to host your application. Try them and share your applications with others and have some fun. So let's meet again in another video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and let me know in the comments your thoughts. I would love to hear them, and if you think that it is good if I cover some topics, let me know in the comments as well. I will try to get them into my channel, and until then we meet again. Bye for now. Stay awesome.